Hello everyone, this is a video tutorial on how to use Odoo CRM and Pipeline. Just in case you're wondering, Odoo is an all-in-one business management software, and its CRM module, CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. So its CRM module or feature helps businesses manage leads, track opportunities, and close deals efficiently. So in this video, we're going to show you how to navigate Odoo CRM, create and manage leads, and move deals gradually through the pipeline. To begin, you'll click on Try Odoo for free. As you can see here, it's got lots of features, but for the purpose of this video, we will focus on CRM. Now that we're done filling in all the necessary information, we can move on to the next step. You can see here we chose 5 employees. Yeah, there are other options here, but we chose 5 employees. Then here, your primary interest could be to use it for your company, to offer Odoo services to other companies, as a student, as a teacher, but for the purpose of this video, we would choose use it in my company. Time to click Start Now. Once you sign up, you receive a notification asking you to activate your email. So just ensure that it's activated. So we're just going to go to our Gmail and ensure that it's activated. All right, so click to activate your database. So once you've chosen a password, you can go ahead and activate your database. As you can see here, you've got the option of inviting your colleagues. So you can type in their name and their email addresses and then send invites to them. Now, once these invites are sent and they accept them, they can gain access to your CRM module, and this allows them to manage deals, contacts, and reports. You can even assign different roles and permissions to control what they view or edit. They could be sales managers or administrators, depending on what role you assign to them. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to have to skip this, so let's just go ahead and skip it. Excellent, we're in now. As you can see here, this company now has its own personalized workspace URL, which of course takes us to our CRM workspace. So let's go there. Great, now we're in. Now that we're inside Odoo CRM, let's go through the process of creating a new deal and managing it through the pipeline. A deal represents a sales opportunity, helping businesses track potential customers and close or finalize sales efficiently. What you see here is a pipeline view. So it's just a visual representation of our deals. So you can see new, qualified, proposition, won, and you can even choose to add another stage here, depending on the progress of your deal. Let's create a new deal now. So to create a new deal, you come here and click on New. Time to enter the details for the deal. So for this tutorial, Bright Light Group will represent a catering service company. That's a company that offers catering services. All right, so let's fill in the details. We're going to go ahead and enter the details for this deal. So the contact refers to the company or the person we're closing the deal with. We can call the opportunity Starlit Enterprises Opportunity. Then we can type in the email. We can call it starlit@gmail.com. Then we can include our expected revenue. So let's say our expected revenue is 400,000. All right, there we go. So these are the details for this deal. Now that we're done entering the details, we will add it to the pipeline. Now it's been added to the pipeline. So we've got our first deal here. Now it's on the new stage. Yeah. So let's see how it progresses now through the pipeline. For it to progress to the next stage, we will assume that we've had an initial conversation with the client and we've confirmed that they are interested, or that the company or the person is interested. So now we can drag it to the next stage, which is qualified. So we'll just drag it to the next stage since it's confirmed that they are interested. All right, so now it's on the next stage, which is qualified. Now we'll also assume that our conversation didn't end here. We went on to send a proposal with pricing and menu options. So we can move this to proposition. So let's drag it to the next stage of the pipeline. Wonderful, so now it's in the third stage, proposition. If our client approves our offer, we can drag it to 1, which means we've successfully closed this deal with the client. And then we can move on to the next stage. Yeah, so we can create a stage here, and that could be a follow-up. So this next stage, you could decide what you want to do next. It could be a follow-up call or an email reminder, or you could even add notes regarding what the client wants from you. So now we've successfully carried a deal or dragged a deal from new to qualified to proposition and to won. Now, if for some reason your deal doesn't make it to the next stage, that's if it's lost, you can select it or click on it and mark it as lost. You'll be required to add a reason for it. So you can type in the reason why it was lost, and then you can mark it as lost. So on your CRM module, at the top left corner here, you can see sales, reporting, configuration. So for sales, when you click on sales, you see your pipeline, which is what is being displayed here. And your activities, this shows you your scheduled tasks like calls, emails, meetings. It just helps you keep track of everything. Then teams, you can have specific teams and assign rows to them or leads to them. Yeah. And then customers serves as your customer database. It just saves everything about your clients, like their contacts and the names of the companies. And yeah, so it's just your customer database. So you can see that the contact we had earlier has been automatically added here. So that's how it works. So that's for sales. So the next section here, you can see reporting. So it's got forecasts, pipeline, leads, activities. So for forecasts, it just helps you predict future sales based on your current opportunities. So it helps with planning and goal setting. And this is still your pipeline. And then your leads helps you keep track of the number of leads you've got and the ones that have been converted. Then activities just gives you a report on completed tasks and the ones that are still pending. Then under configuration, you've got settings, sales teams, activities. You've got activity types, activity plans, pipeline, have tags. You've got why a deal may have been lost. Then you've got lead generation, lead mining requests. And that's a quick overview of Odoo CRM and the sales pipeline. In this video, we've covered how to create leads, manage the pipeline, track activities, and other important things. We hope that with these easy steps, you'll find Odoo CRM and pipeline easy to navigate. Thank you very much for watching.